In continuation with chapter number 5, that is magnetism and matter, now let's study another topic, that is Earth's magnetism. It is also known as geomagnetism or terrestrial magnetism. This is the study of magnetism of Earth. A study of magnetism of Earth. There was one scientist named Sir William Gilbert who first suggested that Earth behaves as a huge magnet. And the evidences of his statement are we know that when we suspend a bar magnet freely, then the north pole of a bar magnet points towards geographically north side, that is true north of Earth, and the south pole of a bar magnet points towards geographically south. And it is possible only when there is an existence of magnet inside the Earth. This is Earth, its axis of rotation, and the magnet is present in such a way it is tilted by some angle, that is 11.3 degree, which we will study later on, that the magnetic axis of this is tilted with axis of rotation by angle 11.3 degree, and this is the south pole of a magnet which points towards geographic north, and the north pole of a magnet points towards geographic south. Thus, when the bar magnet is freely suspended, it points towards geographically north and south direction because it is get attracted by the magnet present inside the Earth. And the second evidence is, if an iron piece is buried inside the Earth for some time, it will acquire the property of a magnet. This is also because of the presence of a magnet inside the Earth. And the third evidence is, there are some neutral point exist when we will draw the magnetic field lines due to a magnet. These are the points where magnetic field due to bar magnet is cancelled or neutralized by the magnetic field produced Earth's magnet. That is, if in that region, if we will put a magnetic needle, then there will be no deflection in a particular north-south direction. It will set in any direction. That is, let's see if we will place a bar magnet in such a way that the south pole of a bar magnet points towards geographically north side and its north pole points towards geographically south side. Then the axial line gives the neutral points. There will be no deflection observed when we will place any needle on these points. Let it be R and S. So here RS on axial line are neutral points. Similarly, if we will place a bar magnet in such a way that its north pole points towards geographical north and south points towards geographical south, then the axial line gives us neutral point. RS on equatorial line are neutral points. And the order of the magnetic field strength of Earth is it is approximately equal to 10 raised to the power minus 5 Tesla. And the magnetic field of Earth changes from place to place. On the surface of Earth, now in the next class we will study about its basic or main features of Earth's magnetism and about magnetic elements.